We're on our way.
Where are we going?
The Overlander Show 2023.
Help! I have just found my dream truck. This is it.
Show you what the show's all about, eh?
Yeah.
And you can see it goes right the way around. So there's plenty here, plenty of stalls.
Yeah, definitely plenty of entertainment. Oh, too much.
Yeah.
Dolly the Overlander has travelled all around Europe and is still carrying some turkey dust to prove it. Dolly features a drop-down bed in the lounge area. This maximises space. Tried some Herbalife protein chips. They were gorgeous, as you can see by my face. She even comes with her own washing machine. How cool is that? Let me show you around this custom-built race truck. It's built by LGF Commercials, and it is a sight to be seen. I'm sure I could fit my kitchen in that garage.
Oh my God, look at this. This is gorgeous. Wow. Full microwave, looks like a microwave cooker. There's a bar. That's a massive TV. Oh, the ceiling's all padded out, air conditioning. There's your bathroom. Oh. That is, cupboards are amazing. Look at the handle, the ceiling here. I have just found my dream truck. This is it. It's even got rose gold light switches.
Gone are the days of barbecues outside your van. Now it's an air fryer. This van weighs 5 tonne. Not bad considering the size.
I follow this on Instagram. It's Follow the Leopard. Look at this beast. Storage in there. Unbelievable. Wow. So well thought out. And have a look inside. Oh,
It's hard to see, but in the ceiling there's a drop-down bed. This can be brought down and set at any height you require it to be. Beneath that is the seating area, which can also be made into one humongous bed.
like a max air fan there.
At the back of the truck, it has a water filtration system so that when you have a shower, it cleans the water. It will also house a washer dryer, heated floor in the bathroom. How amazing is that? The Leopard still has a few additions to go in, so why don't you pop over to YouTube, subscribe and watch her on her journey. I know I will be. If you're into quirky van builds and overlanders, this is the show for you. Despite the mud, we had a brilliant time. Time to get some food before the party starts.
We're gonna have some Greek food, aren't we, babe?
Can't wait, we're gonna have some lovely Greek food. Check this out. Can we get 2 of the chicken?
2 chickens.
Yeah, please.
Yummy. Can't wait. So hungry.
Wow, that is
Thank
brilliant.
you.
Thank you.
And I have a double chocolate brownie, banoffee crumble, biscotti one.
Oh, I didn't spot that one. Well spotted.
I know.
Subscribe to Dream Chasers.
ride.
Never felt this way.
It's the truth, and I owe it all to you.
Fire pits, marshmallows, s'mores, entertainment every night, including our own. This event was brilliant. We just need a few days to recover from it now. It may sound corny, but the people we meet and the friendships that we make at these events are just priceless.
See you later.
The amount of vehicles we towed in.
The cavalry has arrived. Hey!
Okay, we're going to try and move the truck. Can you go back a little bit? You're in a divot. No, it's not spinning. Give it some welly. Go. Go. Rock it. Rock it. Yes, go. Fast, 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 fast. Yes, yes. Go, 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 go. Go. Go on, you're not spinning. Go. Go. That's it. Go now. Go, go, go. Good. Up. This way. Downhill, downhill. She's not spinning. Keep going. Yeah, it's stop, 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 stop. Just leave her there. No, she's going in. She's going in. We did a good effort. Oopsies. Oh well. We need to tow. Here's the heroes. Here's our saviours. Hello again. Oh, thank you.
I was so close.
We was going, he's stuck. Then they went, no, he's moving.
No, but we even put
Would have picked up our coffee again.
Are they going to make it? Are they not? And I thought, it's moving. And I thought, you got it, you sorted. No. And then you stopped.
It was this side just started spinning.
Flash your tension.
Attention. Woohoo! We're not going yet. We're just getting off the grass. We'll be back in a minute. Thank you, guys. That's it, it's over. We're knackered. Cracking event.
Well worth it.
Seriously, you need to get your asses down to the Overlanders shows. They're brilliant, and we've just had such a ball meeting new people, haven't we? And looking inside the Overlanders and that. So get yourself down there. Now we're heading to Liverpool. This will tell us now how long we've got to go.
2 hours 37 minutes, 135 miles.
Let's get trucking. Over and out for now. We'll fill you in when we get nearer the boat. We're going to just chill out here, have half an hour's shut eye. I always worry when you do that in case you're sleeping. But I'll show you quickly outside. It's really nice actually. It's on park for night. So look, this is where we are. There's two parts to the car park. So there's an upper one is what we're on now. The lower one is down there. And look at this for a view. Obviously you can see behind me there, there's the estuary or whatever. Not Thames estuary, bloody hell, that's London. Yeah, it looks like we're going to get a nice crossing as well, which is great. It's absolutely stunning, isn't it? I think this would be a cracking little place to stay overnight. It's on park for night, like I say, but I'll put the few words in. We're going to go and try and get some shut-eye now for half an hour, because we're drained. Aren't we, babe, drained?
We are shattered.
Let's try to have a little snooze. Didn't manage it because my phone kept pinging with my work email. Plus Mark was snoring. He went for a snooze in there. He went in there because he snores. If we lie here, we'll just be asleep till the morning. What are we having?
Food.
Look at this.
Ta-da!
Look what my nan's made for me.
Slaving over a hot stove.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
It's a lovely spot here, isn't it?
Really good.
Look at that. I'm gonna get tucked in because I'm bloody starving. We're here.
We made it. We made it. In good time.
Yeah. And we had dinner.
I made dinner as usual.
You were refreshed. I never got any sleep. It's actually a really nice night, isn't it?
It is, and it's going to be a nice crossing for you.
Well, I hope so. We're all in depressed mode now. Going back to Tarlet, man.
So what you didn't see when the camera was off was we drove through check-in under the canopy of the Isle of Man check-in, and Mark hit the satellite dome. In fact, he smashed the satellite dome. This is us just stressing to see if there's any damage.
Can you not like lean out and hold that up and have a look?
It's too high, babe. It's right there.
What did you do?
Crashed the van. Did you record it out the window when I went through?
No, did the hell? I didn't know you were going to do it.
It doesn't fit in the drive-through.
There's the drive-through. Oh man. But
it could have been worse. I could have knocked the drive-through over.
in our defence, the worst thing is there's people watching as well. In our defence, we were called through there. Normally there's 2 booths open, isn't there?
Yeah.
And then this time there wasn't. And she just called us through. Never even thought about the height.
Good job I was only going slow because of the mirrors on the side.
Yeah, because I was looking, I thought you'd hit the mirror. Because I said to you, why don't we just back out and go the other way? Because it was so tight with the mirrors.
I was doing well with the mirrors.
You would have hit the mirror, to be fair. If you'd have gone any further, you'd have hit the mirror. Oh, I've not even got a voice. Well, it'll either be the aircon or it'll be the satellite dome. Either way, it's going to be an expensive mistake. Isn't it?
In it?
No, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
And at least it wasn't my fault. For a change.
Whatever. I hate this van.
Don't say that. It's a lovely van. It's just you drove it wrong. I can't believe so many people were watching as well.
Oh.
Crunch! Oh.
Don't fit.
They're probably thinking, are they going to go through there? Do they not realise they've got a dome on the roof? So, can it get any worse? Security stop came in. These fell out. So we've smashed the roof. We're picking up cotton buds. Just have a little sit and relax before we get on the boat. It doesn't happen, does it?
No.
I've had enough now. I've not got the temperament for it this evening.
When I jumped out the motorhome, I thought I could run up the boat and film the top of the roof of the motorhome to see what damage had been done as Mark drove round. But I wasn't quite quick enough. So I had to suffer for the rest of the journey, stressing about what damage he'd done to the roof. Thank you.
I just looked at the motorhome roof. It's the dome we've hit. There's a big black mark on it. I'm worried that there's a hole in it. That's been a mistake. We won't be doing that again.